When software fixes don't solve the problem, it's time to consider hardware repair for a long-term solution. If your PlayStation Portal is still under warranty, the safest option is to contact PlayStation support for repair or replacement options. However, keep in mind that opening the portal yourself will void that warranty. For those whose warranty has expired, or if you're comfortable with DIY projects, replacing the analog sticks yourself is often the best long-term solution. You'll need a few specialized tools for this task, including small Phillips head screwdrivers, plastic prying tools, and potentially tweezers or solder wick. The original PlayStation Portal sticks use potentiometer technology. These rely on physical contact, where a small metal wiper slides across a resistive track to register your stick movements. However, over time, this physical wear and tear on the carbon track or wiper leads to inconsistent electrical readings. This inconsistency is exactly what causes that annoying stick drift. A superior alternative is to upgrade to Hall effect sensor sticks. These innovative modules use magnets and magnetic fields to detect the stick's position, completely eliminating physical contact. Because there's no physical wear, Hall effect sticks are immune to wear-related drift, providing a more durable and permanent solution for your portal. Companies like GuliKit offer excellent Hall effect replacement kits specifically designed for the DualSense and, by extension, the PlayStation Portal. The most challenging part of this DIY repair is carefully desoldering the old stick modules and soldering the new ones onto the portal's main circuit board. This step requires moderate to advanced soldering skills. Improper technique can easily damage sensitive components or the entire mainboard, rendering your portal unusable. If you are not comfortable with intricate soldering, it is highly recommended to seek professional repair services to avoid further damage. Remember, while stick drift is a common issue for many devices, taking these proactive steps can get your PlayStation Portal back in top gaming condition, ensuring many more hours of uninterrupted play.